Sabah hayır.
And good night. In Turkish. İyi geceler.
İyi geceler, iyi akşamlar.
İyi akşamlar is مساء الخير.
Masaul hayır.
Yes.
Masaul hayır.
Akşam is مساء.
Yeah, akşam is masa.
Okay, say it. Say it.
Exactly is masaul hayır.
Yeah, exactly.
Sabahul hayır.
Yes.
Right.
Okay, so there's two different ways.
Yeah.
You can say the Libyan way or the Arabic way. 'Cause
Arabic, Arabic,
yeah,
Arabic.
Libya has like a different thing going on, different
Yeah, yeah,
dialect. In Arabic, what did you say? What was the word? How are you?
How are you?
كيف حالك?
كيف حالك?
Yeah, كيف حالك?
كيف حالك?
In Libyan,
Yeah, give me in Libyan actually.
you say شنو الجو, which is
Oh.
how is the weather. It translates to how is the weather.
شنو الجو؟
Exactly.
شنو
yeah.
الجو؟
Yeah, that's
One,
Finally.
2, 3. I'm from Syria.
Yes, Syrian.
أنا من سوريا يا راجل.
يا اخي يا نعلم
كيف
فيك
سوريان؟
عربي نعلم في عربي بفكرة.
والله من سوريا أنا.
حسيت والله اسمع انا قلت واحد من سوريا مش حيفهمني قال لي just like this فقلت هذا شنو يقوله.
You can speak English, right?
Yes.
Okay. Are you ready? Hi.
Hello.
What's your name?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Where are you from, Yaya?
I am from Libya.
Libya.
Yes.
I know Libya actually.
Yeah. Do you know where it is?
What?
The place. It's
Yeah,
awful.
place. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm from Libya. I study here in Estina University.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What's your name?
Mohammed.
Mohammed. What's the channel name?
Instagram channel.
Okay.
Give me 3 things most people don't know about your country.
My country.
Yeah.
Many people think you can't live in my country. They
Yeah.
think it's dangerous. It is dangerous, but like you can live, it's okay. A lot of people think like it's backwards. There isn't like any architecture or like it's very advanced. It's
Yeah,
not
yeah.
like an old country. It's not like an African country with tribes and things. They think that, but it's a very forward country. They also don't know that there's 2 governments.
2?
Governments.
Oh.
Memleka. 2, not 1. But it's 1 country, but there's 2 governments. Yeah, because like there's issues in the country. Instead of having like 1 government, I don't support it, but you know there's 2 different governments, 2 different systems.
It's like Syrian.
Yes, but
Like
it's-
Syrian,
it's
yeah.
like
Two-
Syria.
two-
Yeah, but not exactly because in Syria there's war between the 2.
Yeah.
Here it's more. It's like better than Syria. There's not war all the time. Right now there is war.
No, right now.
But if you are a person like me, you're a normal person, nothing is gonna happen to you.
So I understand you actually.
Okay?
So I have another question if you want. If you have more time.
It's not a problem. I don't have time. I have
Okay.
time.
Good. But easy something. Teaching me Arabic words.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
You like this?
Not a problem.
Okay.
Like what? Like what?
Like what? Something, anything, bro.
Give me something in Turkish. I can tell you. in Arabic.
You understand Turkish?
Yeah, I've been here for some
Okay.
time.
I will teaching you.
Yeah.
Turkish
Words.
words. You are teaching me
Words.
Arabic words.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. How can I say günaydın? Good morning.
Good
something.
morning. Yeah. صباح الخير.
What?
صباح الخير.
Sabahul khair.
Yes.
صباح.
Morning.
Yeah, sabah is morning.
Morning. خير is like good.
Plus something.
No, it's,
Plus something.
no, it's just صباح الخير, like 2 different words.
Sabahul khair.
Yeah, like
Sabahul khair.
translate to iyi sabah. İyi sabah.
İyi sabahlar.
İyi is al khair.
İyi sabahlar. Anladım,
Yes.
anladım.
İyi sabah.
Sabahul khair.
And good night. In Turkish. İyi geceler.
İyi geceler, iyi akşamlar.
İyi akşamlar is مساء الخير.
Masaul khair.
Yes.
Masaul khair.
Akşam is مساء.
Yeah, akşam is masa.
Okay, say it. Say it.
Exactly is masaul khair.
Yeah, exactly.
Sabahul khair.
Yes.
Right. And
You have any other questions, man?
thinking more.
Take your time, bro.
Actually, how can I say? How are you?
Okay, so there's 2 different ways.
Yeah.
You can say the Libyan way or the Arabic way. 'Cause
Arabic,
Libya,
Arabic,
yeah,
Arabic.
Libya has like a different thing going on, different
Yeah, yeah,
dialect. In Arabic, what did you say? What was the word? How are you?
How are you?
كيف حالك?
كيف حالك?
Okay, كيف حالك?
كيف حالك?
In Libyan,
Yeah, give me in Libyan actually.
you say شنو الجو, which is
Oh.
how's the weather. It translates to how's the weather.
شنو الجو؟
Exactly.
شنو
yeah.
الجو؟
Yeah, that's how's the weather because in Libya it's not like it's not literal, you know.
Yeah, different. Like here, actually, is Adana.
Yeah, it's
Gaziantep,
but like in Libya it's way different.
Okay.
Like someone from Syria might not understand me. Yeah. Like if I speak to someone that's Syrian,
Yeah.
they might not understand what I'm saying, you know.
Okay. So, just like this.
Yeah, just like this.
Yeah.
That's it.
And guess me, where am I from, bro?
Of course, Turkey, right?
No, I'm not from Turkey.
You're not from Turkey.
No. Hayır, ben Türk değilim.
Is it like European, right? It's in Europe.
No, it's not Europe
Kazakhstan?
actually. No.
But you don't look
Asian
Kazakhstan.
countries.
Oh, it's an Asian country. Okay. Is it a stan? Like is
No,
it
it's not.
Kazakhstan?
No, it's not like this. What? If you know where am I from, you will be shocked.
Okay, let him guess. Come here.
Your friend.
تعال بدي انترفيو تعال. يا راجل تعال.
Come. You can.
Leave him.
He's kind of speaking.
Yeah,
Oh,
he can speak.
where are you? Come. Gelsene bir dakika.
He's Libyan too.
Gel bir dakika gel kanka
على
gel.
انستغرام والله تعال بس. خيرك خايف.
Hi bro.
Sit down.
Sit down here.
This is
How are you? No, assalamu alaikum.
Salam.
How are you?
tell him
I'm
what I
fine.
taught you.
So, you can speak English?
Yeah, I know how to talk English.
So, are you making interview with people?
Yeah.
Okay. Guess me where am I from?
Where are you from? I don't know.
What?
Guess يا اخوي.
Guess bro.
مش تركيا كان اسيا.
Iran?
Asian country.
يا ماذا منظر ايران يا اخوي.
I don't know, Allah.
Look at his face. Do you
Spain?
look like where you're from?
I think he's like from Spain.
Spain.
Asian.
No, Asian countries, bro.
Wait. Do you look like where you're from? Does your face look like it? Do people from your country look like you?
Yeah, no, actually different.
okay,
Is it
okay.
different? But some people look like me, some people don't look like me.
It's so confusing, you know.
But if you know where am I from, you're gonna be shocked, I'm sure.
There's no China?
China.
Bro, you said shocked.
I will tell you.
No, give me a
Russia?
hint. Give
Yeah,
me
okay, take your
Russia.
time.
Is Russia?
No, not
No.
Russia, bro.
Technically Europe.
Take your time, take your time.
White country. Is it a white country? Are people white or is it their skin?
Different. There is white and there is black.
Not Indian, of course.
No, bro. That's
Of course not.
I respect it in
Oh,
there, but
you're
that's
right. you know.
What's it called? Are you from Peru? Peru.
Peru.
You don't know what Peru
Korean?
is?
No, where is it?
Oh, it's in Asia too.
No, I don't know actually. I'm gonna tell you.
Okay, just tell me.
I'm gonna tell you. One,
Finally.
2, 3. I'm from Syria.
Syrian?
أنا من سوريا يا راجل.
يا اخي يا نعلم
كيف
فيك
سوريان؟
عربي نعلم فيه عربي بفكره
والله من سوريا أنا.
حسيت والله اسمع انا قلت واحد من سوريا مش حيفهمني قال لي just like this فقلت هذا شنو يقول
ما شاء الله.
ما من سوريا
أنا من الشام يا إخوان.
من الشام
أيوة.
كيف
دمشق،
من وين
الشام.
نعرفون
من الشام.
دمشق
دمشق.
من دمشق أيوة العاصمة.
بعلبك
أوكي.
بعلبك ايش؟
بعلبك
ايه.
بعلبك؟
يا.
أيوة من من الشام.
نعرف شخص
من العاصمة.
نعم وانت وين تدرس هنا
لا والله ما ندرس.
ايش كثير انا
أنا عايش هنا.
ليش عايش هنا؟
عايش هنا ما
أيوة عايش هنا وبدرس. أنا محتواي مقابلة في الشارع.
الشارع
هو سوري كمان درو.
هذا واضح انه هو سوري. كان
الفيديو هذا ما ينزلش
لا، ينزلش.
طلعتوني
أيوة
والله
شباب.
حسيت يا رب والله
حسيت.
كيف؟
حسيت مثلا اذا حسيت
أول-
شو الشيء
أول-
اللي خلاك مثلا ما تحكي سوريا؟
اول ما قلت انت انه قلت مستحيل يعني هذا كله
سامحني.
لكن انا شكيت لما قلت لك مثلا someone from Syria wouldn't understand me انت قلت just like this قلت يعني هذا من وين هذا؟ فكرت بلد عربيه لكن قلت مستحيل
شباب شكرا يعطيكم العافيه حرفيا على مشاركتكم معنا. فصونا بشيء
حبيبي
باهي في الليبي.
في الليبي يعرف ليبي فوق
ايوه
علمتني.
باهي في الليبي يا راجل مالك.
قلت له شو جو